Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a closer look at Telesin Suction Cup mount. So I think that this accessory is gonna be ideal for everyone who wants to use the GoPro inside or outside the car. For example, you can use it as a dashcam recording the road or point the camera at yourself to get that hands-free POV shot. Apart from that, you can also use it outside the car for that unique angle, but if you don't want to use your GoPro with it, you can also attach your mobile phone to it and use it with GPS. So what do we have inside of the package? Let's find out. Okay, so this is exactly what we have inside of the package, and that's gonna be the suction mount itself, 1/4-inch tripod adapter, a screw, wet and dry cleaning cloth, and a user guide. So let's take a closer look at the suction cup itself. So this is how Telesin suction mount looks like, and as you can see, this accessory has a double ball head design. So the first ball head can rotate the entire arm, while the second one can adjust your camera angle. On the side of it, you can notice that there is a single knob that's gonna tighten or loosen both of these ball heads, and it's gonna happen simultaneously. These ball heads are quite flexible, as you can rotate them in 360 degrees with ease, though I think that once you loosen it up, you have to remember to hold your camera as it may hit into something. Other than that, if you lock it, it's a really tight fit and these ball heads seem to be really strong. At the very top, there is a fixed GoPro mount, so it's gonna be compatible with a variety of action cameras, such as GoPro, Insta360 or DJI Action. But there is also a 1/4-inch adapter included, so you can use it with different cameras or even your phone if you use it with a phone adapter. That's not included in the package, unfortunately. So you can use this accessory for every day using your phone as a traditional GPS device. Now at the very bottom there is a suction cup with a warning on it that you should always use it on a smooth and flat surface. Okay, so let's peel it off and let me show you how it works. Once you place it on the surface, this thing is really rock solid. Notice that the whole car is moving and this thing isn't going anywhere. Now, take a look at how fast and easy it is to adjust your camera angle with it. Let's say I want to use it as a dashcam. Boom, you got it. So we can record a video or a time warp. How about I record a POV shot? Here we go, nice and easy. Now, let's take a look at another example. So as you just seen, it's quite easy to adjust your camera angle and the mount itself is quite small. It's also quite foldable for easier storage and travel. Now take a look at what creative angles you can get with it from inside of a car. And obviously guys, you can also use it outside of your car up to 80 kilometers per hour. But honestly guys, I always felt like using suction mounts outside is not a really good idea because it's simply so easy to either damage your camera or potentially lose it. And besides, that 80 kilometers per hour isn't that much after all, so I think it's quite easy to reach the limit. Okay, so let's summarize it all now. So I think that Telesin Suction Mount is a really well-made, high-quality gear. I simply love how easy it is to adjust your camera angle with that double ball head design. It's simply so flexible and you don't have to bother or deal with extensions to get that perfect angle. It literally just takes a couple of seconds to adjust. Telesin Suction Mount is quite strong and I really think that it's gonna be probably one of the best suction mounts for your POV shots from the inside of your car. As far as outside of your car is concerned, well, you can do that, but Telesin recommends to not exceed 80 kilometers per hour, which isn't that much after all. So, okay guys, so what do you think about Telesin Suction Cup mount? Do you think it's something worth for you to have? Let me know about it in the comment sections below, and for today guys, I think that's it. If you like that content guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss all my future content, and see you in the next one. Bye!